Hey everyone. So QuietCon is just around the corner, and I find myself in need of a tripod. But because I am cheap and don't have a lot of money anyway, I bought a bunch of PVC pieces, and so I'm going to be making a tripod. Although because of the available PVC pieces, it's going to be more of a quad pod. That's exactly what it's going to be. So I've got all the materials I'm going to need. I've got 4-inch PVC end caps. I've got 1.25-inch PVC cap. I've got 2 of these 1.25 PVC quad links. I've got whatever you call them. 4 of these 1-inch to 1/2-inch T connectors. 1.25-inch hitch pin, and then I've got 10 feet, 2 at 1 inch and 1 at 1.25 inch out that way. So for this build, I'm going to be using measuring and marking things: PVC cement, rivets, and a pop riveter, 5/8-inch drill bit, that'll be for the hitch pins, heat gun. You can use whatever you like, but it needs to be 1/4 inch as my camera and webcam that I'll be using be able to hook up to the quad pod or have that drill and drill parts. So this is a 1 3/8 hole saw. This is a 1.25 hole saw, and then a friggin' this thing, countersink. Dremel with a sanding drum, hearing and lung protection. Okay, next I'm going to take my caps and my PVC cement. These are going to be the feet of the legs, so these can go on now. Make sure this is pretty clean. So you might be wondering, maybe not, why 1-inch PVC and 1.25-inch PVC. It's because unlike 3/4 inch and 1/2 inch and those ones, and I don't know why this is, but these fit together very nicely. It's not too loose, it's not too tight, and I wanted something that would be sturdy, that could telescope, sort of. Cap to fit like this. I want it to fit inside like that. So I didn't actually set it to record what I thought I just did. So I've got the 1-inch PVC at 6 feet, and I've got the 1.25 inch PVC at 5'6", so that it has that little. This way I don't have to go dig around for the inside when I go to set it up. You know, it's right there. Now we're gonna assemble some things as much as I can, I think. I'm still not quite sure how I'm doing this, but I guess we'll find out. So sort of a change of plan is I'm gonna take the leg, right? So I'm gonna cut it in half, and I'm gonna attach this piece here, and that's going to be my connection to the bottom of the, where is it? There. To the bottom of the quad pod, main shaft thing. So I just realized you guys don't know why it was a change of plans, or I called it a new plan, is because I was going to take these connectors and I was actually going to bore them out on the inside, like sand them out, so that I could just slide them onto the legs. This is much faster and easier, so I did this instead. And it makes the legs a little bit longer, but not so much that it's like, I don't think it's going to matter in the long run. So this part, which is drying just now, is going to be the bottom. I'm trying to see if I can get it so that it glues together. It might be too loose for that. But if it doesn't work, I'll find some other way to attach it. So, moving on. Okay, so that part is drying. That's going to be the bottom, going to be the stationary section. So this is going to be the part where the top of the legs connect, that slides up and down the shaft. And that will cause the legs to come in, and when you lower, as you put them out, this will lower down, so it'll slide. So now I have to make it so that the top of the legs can fit in. So basically I'm just going to cut out sort of a channel, and then put I actually didn't get any connectors for that, so I might just use screws. That might be what the rivets are for. I forgot. It occurs to me that I should have cut these at an angle at the top, so that when the leg comes out, that it can press up against a little bit Maybe I'll wait on that. Maybe I'll cut it 45 now. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So, gotta get the measurement. That's 1 1/4 inch, which is, yeah, perfect. So. Actually came out pretty uniform. I'm pretty surprised. I mean, I was a little off on all of them, but I was pretty evenly off on all of them, so do that. So it's like there. So I set the blade so it's just shy of this corner because I don't want to risk weakening this part too much. So I'm going to cut and cut. So change the plan again a little bit is instead of the 1/4 inch rivets, I'm going to use the 1/2 inch rivets because what I was going to do is I was going to use the heat gun to heat these round parts until they're flat, which I might I'm going to try the 1/2 inch first because I've got them, so why not? And if that doesn't work, then I'll try something else. I'll do what I originally was going to do, but until then I'm going to try this because this should work also, I hope. All right, so that's all. This is clearly a case of function over form. It's not pretty, but hopefully it will do the job. Let's see how it stands. So they stand out good once they're in place. It's a little uneven, like this is, if I go fully extended on all legs, it is very uneven. Like those two are okay, but these two are not. You can see the top. Like these back two are very high, these two are low. But so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use string through these holes, through the holes I made on the bottom of that one, and that will make it so that these can only go out a certain distance to their, maximum equal capacity. That should be good. Like, that's damn near. Oh, the whole part where the camera goes on. Let's do that. Okay, so I've got the legs, I've got the standy bit, and then we got to throw those together. So now I need a thing at the top. Where was I going? slash cut. Get it? It's like smash cut, but slash cut because you get it. So this video ran a little long, so I had to cut it up into little bits. So I hope you enjoyed this bit because it's over, and maybe go check out the next bit. And if there's no next bit just yet, maybe go check out some of my other videos. Maybe watch those in the meantime. Thanks for watching. So like, subscribe, all that stuff, and comment, all that fun stuff. So